Welcome back to Nahar Global School video lectures. This video lecture is for the students of class 7 and the subject is English. The lesson which we are going to see is When Daddy Was a Little Boy. So dear children, turn out to page number 11 of your English textbook. When Daddy Was a Little Boy. This story is written by Alexander Ruskin. In this story, a father asks and narrates some of his childhood pranks. This is a Russian story, and this story is about a daddy who tried to stop a tram in his childhood days. When Daddy was a little boy, he had a friend whose name was Misha. Misha was a very mischievous boy. There was a big crowd around him at the recess because everyone wanted to hear Misha producing sounds of different animals. The sounds produced by Misha was equal to the original sounds of the animals. No one could at any cost guess that this sound was not produced by the animal. The principal of the school warned Misha many times, but he also at times enjoyed the pranks of Misha. This story highlights a happening. All the friends of Daddy, including Misha, decided to lay down one by one on the railway track from where a tram passed during the recess of their school. Everyone had to go and lie down on the track. Misha was confident not to get caught because the tram conductor cannot leave the tram and get down. After stopping the tram, when he cannot get down, the students have enough time to run away from there. So, daily, turnwise, all the students went to the track and lay themselves on it. The tram had to be stopped and never the conductor was able to catch them. Slowly, a day came when it was Daddy's turn. Daddy was a quite good boy. He was a straight fellow. But due to friendship, he also had to go and lay down on the track. Fearful Daddy went and laid himself on the track. The tram came. The tram conductor this time noticed the crowd from far away itself and stopped the tram and came down. To the bad luck of Daddy, Daddy was caught and taken to the nearby police station. There, the school principal, grandma, grandpa were called, and Daddy was left after big warnings. Reaching home, Daddy was given punishment, and the next day he was also shamed in the school. Many times the things done by us goes in reverse. So we should always be careful and we should not play pranks that just trouble someone else. This is a wrong thing. Because of our because of our fun, we should not disturb others. Stopping the trams is risky also. And the daddy realized this because the next day Daddy's prank was even highlighted in the daily newspaper. And that was the last prank played by Daddy because the punishment made him realize the thing was wrong. This was the story. Hope you all would have understood it. Now it's the time for homework. Children, you can find the word bank in the PDF. You have to solve this word bank of your own. Fill the words opposite by yourself and also select the right phrase given in the box and fill in the blanks. Children, the question answers and grammar part solution has been given with the PDF of the textbook. By 12th of June, you have to complete both the lessons in your CW copy and send me pic. The last date for your copy submission is June 12. By that, you have to complete your CW copy and send the pics of your completed copies to my WhatsApp. Soon I'll be back with another video for you all. Till that, bye bye and take care of yourself.